we ni charge no 15 cedis. We die 50 cedis. We 15 cedis. We 20 cedis. We 200 cedis. 30 cedis. 15 cedis. Ene die ekeka ho. Na no yabesua sane yebetimi ameki at least 100 Ghana cedis. Debia ewo sa website yi so 15ghana.com 15ghana.com sane fiverr.com ewo office bebre no sa na website we say eno so etie nti yebe sign up wa ha yenti ayen use fiverr.com ne mo no yebe use 15 Ghana na trese 15 Ghana no Ghana website a ebe paying through mobile money yanso no ye ne je ho say ebe ji aketua de free mobile money mo enti adentina yen use 15ghana.com na yemfa endi dwuma enti wo hwa nkrofo assign up na omode wonum services bebre e de egu ha one of the categories enye no mebeka ho asem virtual assistant and afi graphic designing ho nso no ya behwe ho asem kakra na yaka virtual assistant no ene say owo fie na oyi adwuma de aboa wobi enti obi hia obi a obeye ne entry jobs bi dia ma no obeye ne typing jobs bi dia ma no obeye adwuma bi dia ma no a nipa no on ma ne office ho eno ne virtual assistant no enti bi a me se me publisher metro articles enti no se me pese bi a obi eye me virtual assistant a na me the articles no ma nipa ne se epacho aya na wa publish stories na go me site o ma me why na me nya available me nya time onye sa we no oye ma me wi a metia waka 15 Ghana cedis 50 Ghana cedis and say inti wona we do ogege no ebete wa say bi a say me support o e certain folder sika say e na majo good inti graphic design no so there eba the logo design business cards illustration cartoons flyers book covers ni nyina no ubetimi abeye by the help of this powerful website called canva.com. The canva.com na be mo which me yes designs ni nyina alright nti no my yen sign up for account nti say we for website ne so a obekọ join na wa sign up say wa sign up we na so log in na when me we ne so wo profile name ne so na wa take drop down we say selling in chain na wa click on my services okay na bie we dia ma na we me add new service ne so na service na o provide no what they abesha ho inti mame en duplicate ba confirm free fiverr.com me fa eyidie no virtual assistant die no okay ti mame en copy way na membra 15 Ghana na men type me in pasting shahonomo say I will do any virtual assistant and typing job okay into category no business category good. And he say, oh yeah, graphic design and so I don't know if a category as acting, creative and design. Why? Okay. And see subcategory na virtual assistant, enable referrals. Okay. And see say ABI will be echo can one seven to send you make one seven. So be can me service in one seven the children will be nice and nipano at the service in the banner me yamana nipano meno affiliate commission and then service way. Okay, inti se on pen sa dia no mi no ne so. Why? All right. One person we enable the referral option there. And now for service commission ne so. Inti e bia nipa no say or the obi bremya ma no e bia 20%. 20%. And that tax and so ya fa say virtual assistant typing jobs. Okay, what the ma say we me the yen hwe so inti na ntisa video ni beche. Okay, into offer tax and will gig in accordance. Okay, all right, into we are now what clicking on save and continue. And to my yen show will be dear so now yen fanya ye dear. Say over your virtual assistant work and I say I am successful amount which me I call client the computer so now I could did maybe a man now. Mummy na mobile here software be a your friend or team viewer and I say any desk and I say team viewer. Into google.com na search for team viewer na download it okay into result no any na what download the team viewer no and any desk no add it to computer ne so it say all download na say what setting app we are obehu sa key we say id we say any password we enti nipa na wo ye adwuma na ma no or then ono so bia the same thing obehu different id ni different password enti or the id ni be ma no wabo id no ɛde ahyɛ ha sei okay nti yɛfa sɛ 129 yɛfa sɛ wei na yɛ nipa na yɛyɛ adwuma na ma no ne ID o de hyɛ ha sei a na ɔkɔ connect owie a na wabɔ password ebe loadi kakra obohu sɛ o computer no ɛbɛkɔ nipa no computer ne so ɛba saa na wotumi operate nipa no computer no wɔ mmerɛ a wo no wo fie okay nti wo de o mouse no na ebe control nipa no computer no o keyboard tese na ewu si o computer no pepepe until say we cross app no efiri so ansana nti in this case no sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ biribi ma obi a wo baby a ewiase baby a na yɛbɛtumi ayɛ ɛde ama no ɛno ne virtual assistant because you see yɛboa nipa no virtually obi wɔ nso wɔ de adwuma no bɛ send o woyɛ wie a na wa send ne back ɛde ama no okay nti nye de bia na bɛkɔ nipa ne computer so akɔyɛ ma no depend on the kind of worker woyɛ ɛde ama nipa no okay nti tiaseɛ saa maame. Alright, it was a virtual assistant no one of the powerful avenue which me are making money online. Even process say o prefer say o de get to fiverr.com. Aya connect virtual assistant working na ebe look at this one. Here we when you 551 orders or charge $10. We nya $140 or charge $5. We have $34, we have $361. Virtual assistant work in one of the best and lucrative business at fiverr.com. In the time now I was spending social media no, to me at so now all the acquire Jumama for virtually now to me and make it secure for yourself. Okay. Into yen toa yen process no eso yen duplicate obedie and I say yen show obedience and I am fa enya yen di ni bi. Into now my main call business na men call virtual assistant na men be ready na the basic plan no 15 cedis okay nti yeah 15 cedis one day and I had 2 days na I think say o charge how amount o charge 25 na how so charge 40 okay nti no 25 40 and 3 days. It depending on the Jumana Cassia. To say all day 1 day pay some day you pay minutes be pay the no agent 15 cedis. Over you some days are no agent 25 cedis. Okay, good. And then about me I a virtual assistant the amount be na different work now with me enya usika. Alright. And then after say everything you okay no then I could save and continue. You save and continue on that way. What me aye baby pepe. I was say when your thumbnail editor or profile no so business no wo gig na wo promoting okay nti call pixabay.com na with me and as google.com mpo na wa search for a entry job na baby na typing we are typing na download it. Nti ebusiana we go ahead na wa publish or gig ewo 15ghana.com. Wo de ye na hwe se wonya nkrofo e ma wonom e contact o se ye adwuma na fama omo ana. Aya nso ana wa hwe obi die ohu na we hunu sane esitie e bia nkaka se wo ye foforo kwa wonim nya make ho hwe. Hwe nkrofo de ne hu sane esitie na won so duplicate. Se wonya en subscribe to channel na no wa subscribe no turn on notification bell no